We were taught that quality is everything, that perfection is the goal, but what if I told you that your pursuit of perfection is actually destroying your profit? Welcome to the waste of overprocessing. Overprocessing is doing more work on a product than the customer is willing to pay for, using high-precision tools for low-precision tasks, polishing surfaces that are hidden. It is the waste of too much instead of just right. I once saw a manufacturer spend 40 minutes polishing a structural bracket that was buried deep inside an engine. The customer didn't care about the shine, they cared about the strength. That extra 30 minutes of polishing cost the company $5 million a year. They weren't making a better part. They were making a more expensive mistake. Look at the data. There is a point where every additional minute of work adds zero additional value to the customer. When you cross that line, you are working for yourself, not for your business. You are burning cash in the name of a standard that doesn't exist. It's not just in the shop, it's in the office. Double data entry, multiple redundant approvals for low-value decisions, reports that no one reads. Digital overprocessing is the friction that kills your organizational agility. It is the weight of bureaucracy. To eliminate overprocessing, you must define value through the eyes of your customer. If they won't pay for it, don't do it. Everything else is just noise. High-end organizations don't guess what the customer wants. They measure it. They focus on the voice of the customer. Think about your design phase. Are you over-engineering your products? Are you adding features that add cost but don't add utility? Over-engineering is overprocessing at the source. It locks in waste before the first part is even built. As complexity rises, profit margins vanish. The overprocessing you call innovation might actually be the very thing that's making you uncompetitive. By doing too much, you are pricing yourself out of the market. Quality is meeting requirements, not exceeding them. We once audited a financial services firm where every file required 7 different signatures. We reduced it to 2. That one change cut their processing time by 60% and saved 2,000 hours of executive time a month. The best process is the simplest one, but there is a better way. Lean organizations use value stream mapping to expose and eliminate overprocessing. They ruthlessly cut anything that doesn't add value. They choose simplicity over complexity. They choose speed over extra. They choose flow over friction. When you eliminate overprocessing, your costs drop, your speed increases, and your team is free to focus on the work that actually matters. You aren't just doing less, you're achieving more. Excellence is found in the subtraction of waste. So look at your processes today with a critical eye. Are you adding value or are you just adding work? The secret to world-class operations is knowing when to stop. Follow Six Sigma with Omar to master the discipline of just enough. Knowledge is power, but only if you have the discipline to use it. Join our community of world-class leaders, and let's simplify for excellence. Follow Six Sigma with Omar on all platforms. This is where your transformation begins. Simplify everything. You've seen the cost of doing too much, but wait until you see the cost of doing it wrong. Defects. The 7th hidden enemy that's breaking your reputation and your bank account. I'll see you in the next episode. Get it right the first time.